Welcome back to yet another episode of the xploreUXCast, where we help you make sense of your users or your customers. I'm your host, Obruke. In this episode, we are going to be talking about some examples where UX is influenced by data.
Give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of
Data isn't just a buzzword in business, it's a powerful tool that can inform, validate, and refine UX decisions. That's why in this episode, we'll explore some key examples of how data influences UX design and why it's essential to integrate data into your design process. From user behavior tracking to A B testing, data plays a pivotal role in shaping the way users interact with products, websites, and apps. 1. User behavior tracking and analytics. One of the most straightforward ways data influences UX is through user behavior tracking. Platforms like Google Analytics, Hotjar, and Mixpanel provide insights into how users are interacting with a website or app. These platforms collect data on user actions such as clicks, page views, time spent on pages, bounce rates, and more. Suppose a subscription service sees that a significant number of users are abandoning the sign up form midway. This data could prompt the UX designer to investigate possible causes. Perhaps the form is too lengthy, the required fields are confusing, or there's a lack of trust signals like security badges. With this feedback, designers can streamline the form, make it more user friendly, and add reassuring elements to encourage more successful signups. 2. A B testing. A B testing is another powerful method where data directly influences UX design. In A B testing, two variations of a page or feature are tested with different user groups to determine which one performs better. For instance, a marketing team might test two versions of an email campaign, one with a large, eye-catching image and one with a simple, text-focused layout. By analyzing open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, the team can determine which design resonates more with the audience. This testing approach can be applied to various email elements such as subject lines, call to action buttons, or personalization strategies. A B testing helps ensure that email campaigns are optimized for maximum impact rather than relying on gut feelings or untested ideas. 3. Heat maps and click tracking. Heat maps are another form of data that provides valuable insights into user behavior. Heat map tools like Crazy Egg, Microsoft Clarity, or Hotjar visually represent where users are clicking, scrolling, and spending the most time on a page. These tools track mouse movements, clicks, and scrolling behavior, providing designers with a visual representation of how users interact with a page. For example, if a heat map shows that users are clicking on an image that is not a clickable element, this could signal a design issue. The image may look like a button, but it isn't interactive. By analyzing this data, designers can adjust the design to make sure that users can easily identify clickable elements, improving the overall user experience. Heat maps also help identify areas of a page that are being ignored by users. If a designer notices that users are not scrolling down to see important content, they may decide to reposition that content higher up on the page to ensure it gets seen. This type of data-driven decision-making ensures that the design is optimized for user engagement. Suppose you're interested in discovering how to create products that resonate with users and elevate customer experiences through UX. I invite you to explore my 3 published books, the UX Consultant Playbook 1, 2, and 3. These books provide valuable insights and actionable strategies for improving your approach to UX design. See links in the description section. Love xploreUXCast. Here's how you can make a difference. Be a UX champion. Chat with friends, family, and anyone who wants to learn about UX and usability testing. You can supercharge the show. Subscribe, rate, and review xploreUXCast on wherever you listen to podcasts. This helps others discover the good stuff and lets the platform know we're winning. Let's talk UX. Leave comments on the podcast or social media. Got a burning testing question or a topic you'd love to hear explored? Hit me up. And join the UX crew by signing up for our newsletter on LinkedIn and connect with fellow UX enthusiasts. See links in the description. 4. User feedback and surveys. While quantitative data like clicks and page views are essential, qualitative data from user feedback and surveys is equally important in shaping UX. Direct feedback from users can reveal pain points, frustrations, and unmet needs that may not be immediately obvious from behavioral data alone. For example, a fitness app might track how many users drop off during the onboarding process. If data reveals a significant number of users abandon the app right after signing up, it may suggest that the onboarding steps are too lengthy or unclear. By gathering feedback from users about their experience, designers can adjust the onboarding flow to make it more engaging and easier to follow. Data from user feedback can also help prioritize features or changes. If a survey reveals that a large number of users are requesting a specific feature, designers can use this data to prioritize its development. This ensures that the design process is aligned with user expectations and helps create a more satisfying experience. 5. Personalization through data. Personalization is an increasingly important aspect of UX design. By leveraging data about user preferences, behaviors, and demographics, designers can create more tailored experiences that resonate with individual users. This type of personalized UX is becoming the standard in many industries, from e-commerce to entertainment. For example, streaming platforms like Netflix use data to recommend shows and movies based on a user's viewing history. Love xploreUXCast. Here's how you can make a difference. Be a UX champion. Chat with friends, family, and anyone who wants to learn about UX and usability testing. You can supercharge the show. Subscribe, rate, and review xploreUXCast on wherever you listen to podcasts. This helps others discover the good stuff and lets the platform know we're winning. Let's talk UX. Leave comments on the podcast or social media. Got a burning testing question or a topic you'd love to hear explored? Hit me up. And join the UX crew by signing up for our newsletter on LinkedIn and connect with fellow UX enthusiasts. See links in the description. This personalized experience is powered by data analytics, which track what users watch, when they watch it, and how long they watch. By using this data, Netflix can suggest content that is likely to appeal to the user, improving engagement and satisfaction. E-commerce websites also use data to personalize the shopping experience. By analyzing a user's browsing and purchasing history, an online store can recommend products that are relevant to the user's interests. This not only enhances the user experience but also drives conversions by presenting users with products they are more likely to buy. 6. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. Conversion rate optimization is the process of improving the percentage of visitors who take a desired action on a website, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. Data plays a key role in CRO by helping UX designers identify friction points in the user journey and test changes to improve conversion rates. For example, data from Google Analytics might show that a particular landing page has a high bounce rate. By analyzing this data, designers could hypothesize that improving the page's visual appeal and making the content more engaging could reduce bounce rates. They could then test a redesigned version of the landing page with different imagery and copy, using A/B testing to compare performance and determine which design leads to better user retention. 7. Data-driven personas. Personas are fictional representations of a product's target users based on data collected from real users. These personas help UX designers empathize with users and make design decisions that align with user needs and behaviors. Data-driven personas are created using insights from user research, analytics, surveys, and interviews. For example, an e-commerce site might create personas based on data about its most frequent customers. These personas might include demographic information such as age, location, and income level, as well as behavioral data such as browsing habits and purchasing patterns. By understanding the needs and motivations of these personas, designers can create more targeted and effective user experiences that resonate with their audience. Final thoughts. As we've explored in this episode, data plays a crucial role in shaping user experience design. Whether through tracking user behavior, conducting A/B tests, gathering feedback, or personalizing experiences, data helps UX designers make informed decisions that improve usability, engagement, and conversions. By integrating data into the design process, designers can create products that are not only user-friendly, but also aligned with real user needs and expectations. Data-driven UX design is not just a trend, it's a powerful approach that ensures that the experiences we create are effective, efficient, and enjoyable for users. So the next time you're working on a UX project, remember that data isn't just an afterthought. It's an essential tool for crafting the best possible user experience. Thanks for joining me on xploreUXCast. Be sure to join us next time as we continue exploring how UX and data can drive business growth. Don't hesitate to reach out to us on X at xploreUXCast. I will leave additional links in the description section of this episode. Until then, remember that data isn't just an afterthought, it's an essential tool for crafting the best possible user experience. Cheers and have a good one.